Alright friends, the tour of South Street continues. I'm across from Repo Records where I just bought some CDs, so there was Retrospect Vintage. I'm now on the other side of the street. So I was over there, now I'm over here on this side, so you know, give both sides of the street a chance. So Philly cheesesteak, chicken cheesesteak, burgers and fries, and breakfast. That's here.
Your symptoms can mean something serious, so don't wait. Talk to a doctor right away.
Ishkabibbles 2 since 1979. And over there is Counterculture. So, and then Vegas, cigarettes, cigars, vapes, and hookahs. There's hookahs all over the place. That's a terrible old joke. Old joke. So, continuing our tour. Here's some art on the ground in front of the company streetwear. And over here, hey, they rolled out the red carpet for me. How about that? Garland of Letters bookstore. Over there is Game Sun and whatever that says. I got lousy eyesight. You can read it later. There's people dining. And there's the Pink Pussycat. There you go, folks, the Pink Pussycat. Someone riding a bike down the middle of the road. Okay. Scoop DeVille, Federal Donuts. There's Federal Donuts. I guess if you work for the federal government, you get a discount. I don't know. I don't have the answers to these questions. We are here waiting for the light to turn green. Just pan around here for unknown reasons. And look at that, now the light's green. See that? I went in a circle and it turned green. You can't beat that. Philadelphia Fire Department, Engine 11. There you go. Philadelphia Fire Department. Hark! I hear a helicopter. There it is. There goes a helicopter. Let us continue. That over there used to be the Tower Records, in case anyone's wondering. I don't know what it is now, but it was a Tower Records. Painting with a twist. It's something, but it was a Tower Records. And of course I don't own the copyright to any music playing for legal purposes. The light is red, but no one is coming, so I'm going. Another outdoor dining area. So they got that set up for dining outdoors. There's the learning gardens. South Street Market, and we are coming up to another red light. And now it's green. And over here we have some sort of a little garden. It's fenced in there. Now this traffic light is blinking red, so I'm going this way. Of course, they're going that way. I'm going this way. People are going that way.
Never go into that Wawa.
Here we have a Wawa. So, of course, I love Wawa. And see, they got a bird up there. Anything with a bird is okay with me. I like the birds. So there's the Wawa and the birdie up there. And the front of the Wawa. So there you go. There's Bank of America, which once upon a time was the official bank of the New York Yankees. I don't know if it still is, but it was. And I'm a Yankees fan, so that's okay. There goes the helicopter again. That's either two helicopters in one video or the same helicopter twice. Not sure which. Good morning, Earthlings.
Good morning.
I'm making nonsense for YouTube. Wave to the people.
Hello.
Thank you. Oh. What the hell is this? Oh, Whole Foods. Yeah, Whole Foods. That's where they sell those. I don't know what they sell. Something. Food. Studio Technic. Whole Foods Market. Good morning, humans.
Good morning.
Here we have an Acme. That says Acme Beer and Wine. So I don't know if it only sells beer and wine or does it also sell food. But since I like Acme, I'm gonna go to fuck in and find out. So we'll stop our South Street tour part 2 right here at the front of the Acme and see if they also have other stuff besides beer and wine.